You're looking for a shower, bathroom, a handle for your bathroom, showers, and more. It is suctioned on nice and strong by removing and sliding off a lot of pressure. Simply lock it into place like so. On the back we have one on as we're taking off. They are suctioned very strong. And we're going to show you what this product is all about. From the company OKICA. It's a 2-pack for all ages. Up to 250-pound capacity suction cups for the bathroom. The helping hand can be put on just about any smooth surface, solid. If it's a shower door, extra caution is required. As we unpack the unit and show you what you get inside, it is for not a mosaic or pores wall. You can put it on vinyl, glass, any smooth surfaces. It has instructions and shows you in detail how to set up and use. Tile by placing on, pushing, pulling into the handle, and then pushing up and locking in. And repeating for the bottom, pulling into the handle, expanding and pushing in. As you can see, it locks into place with force. And then the last one. And now you're able to grab up to. If you do not put it on correctly, you can see we can move. Just simply realign, push in, and lock down forcefully. That force now locks the unit on 100% and secured. And now this will not go anywhere. Let me turn my body around. Let me grab and go to the floor. As you can see, it starts to slide down if great force is added, but it will hold 100% strong. I'm on a metal door. It's a smooth surface. I'm going to lock down, reapply, and I'm able to pull down and lift up and pull away, and it is secured. This is a smooth surface made of metal. As long as we're within the lines, we're able to put on, lock into place, all three, lock down. Both handles, 220 pounds of the unit. And I'm able to simply open all three up in a matter of a couple of seconds to remove. For walls, shower doors, carefully place on, lock down, and moving. It is a support to grab and hold for safe in and out use. This is your 2-pack handles for showers, bathrooms, smooth surfaces, and more. Suction cup, 3 suction cups, as easy as that. This is your handle for your shower 2-pack. Enjoy your product if this is right for you.